Hello, boys and girls. I'm Miss Cho. In this week, we are going to learn how to write a story by using 5W1H questions. In this week, you are going to finish guided writing worksheet number 2. Inside the worksheet, you can see these 5 pictures. Can you write a story about these pictures? You can write your ideas in a story map like this. The story map consists of setting, main characters, beginning, middle, and ending. You can use 5W1H questions to help you brainstorm ideas. What are 5W1H questions? They are when. When did the story happen? Who? Who are the people in the story? What? What happened to them? How? How did they feel? Why? Why did they feel this way? Where? Where did they go? When did the story happen? Where did it take place? You can find out the answer in the setting of the story map. The time is last Sunday afternoon. The place is at home. So, the information is given. The story happened last Sunday afternoon at home. Who are the people in the story? In the picture, you can see 2 names there. The boy's name is John, and the girl's name is Mary. The information is given. So, the main characters are John and Mary. Now we come to the events of the story. Do you remember the 3 sessions of a story? They are beginning, middle, and ending. Which picture shows the beginning of the story? Very good. Picture 1 is the beginning of the story. And you can see the main characters are there, John and Mary. Which picture shows the middle? Very good. 2, 3, 4. Picture 2, 3, 4 are the middle of the story. Which picture shows the ending? That is number 5. You got to think about the ending of the story. Good. What can you write about in each session? Again, use 5W1H questions to help you brainstorm ideas. Now, can you think of the answers to these questions? For the beginning, picture 1. Where were John and Mary? What did they do there? John and Mary were at home. They talked about their mom's birthday. Picture 2. What did John want to buy? What did Mary want to buy? How did they feel? John wanted to buy a ring. Mary wanted to buy a handbag and a skirt. They felt puzzled because they haven't decided what to buy for their mom. So, they were a bit nervous and didn't know what to do. Picture 3. What happened? How did they feel? What couldn't they do? They broke the piggy bank. They felt disappointed because they didn't have enough money and couldn't buy the present they wanted to buy. Picture 4. How did they feel suddenly? Why? They felt excited and happy. You can see from the picture. Because they had a good idea for the present. So for the ending, boys and girls, you have to think about it by yourself. It might be very creative. So, what did they decide to do finally? How did their mother feel in the end? What do you think their mother was saying? So, boys and girls, well done. Now you can use your notes in a story map to write the story.